inspirational over the many years, and I believe you can't have a proper celebration without all of those generations in the room. It's called Two Shoes. Let's dance with this wind, all right?
Said I on my knee, I listen here, and this is why they cry. On my feet, I wear two shoes for dancing, dancing to be free. On my feet, they're paying tribute to the Bobby Marley legacy. My knees, they got some cuts and bruises from escaping all my days. Cause when I skating with my friends, my troubles drift away. I say my legs ain't wearing baggy pants. I like to move around, cause getting down and jumping in, these are some good things that I found. The sweetest thing, and the foam on my waist still happen, and my stomach's got some tasty food that's making me feel good. But sharing some is a Sunday, and I wish the world would do. And my chesty wears a secret, oh my chesty beating proud. Oh my chest suggests I am a man that no institutions cannot doubt. And around my neck is superstition hanging from a chain, because I got my gods, but in the end I made my own way. Two shoes for dancing. And my mouth has got a great big smile that shows some great big teeth. To friends it brings happiness, and to enemies it brings defeat. My eyes, they got some vision, they can see through many lights. All my eyes, they look for better things, the better things to see in life. My ears are wearing headphones that do play my favorite songs. I know music, I'm told to like other songs that make me dance along. Cause on my feet are shoes for dancing, dancing to be free. On my feet they're playing tribute to the Bobby Marley legacy. Shut the everybody rising. Don't shut the legs too loud. Shut the breathing on me. Don't shut the